Welcome to Fitness 116 Body Conditioning. I'm your instructor, Chris Waters. If you have questions or need to contact me, please email me at watersc@smccd.edu or send me a message through the Canvas inbox. Emails and messages will be returned within 24 hours. Emails and messages sent over the weekend will be returned on the first workday of the new work week. Fitness 116 is an activities course that will be conducted through the Canvas website. If you click on our course overview module, you'll see the course description, course objectives, and directions for completing the course. Body conditioning is divided into 2-week units. You will have 2 weeks to complete the assignments and activities in each unit. Progress charts and cardio charts are provided for you to track your workouts and then submit for assessment. Full credit will be given to charts submitted during this course. Modules are structured to organize and track fitness plans. The Strava app will be used to track cardio activity. Progression charts are used to track exercises. The exercise library module contains suggested bodyweight exercises complete with demonstrations. Each class meeting consists of 3 steps: your warm-up, 3 exercises, and a 20-minute cardio session tracked by the Strava app. Each unit is based on 14 total days, or 2 weeks. Students should exercise 8 times, or 4 class periods per week during each 14-day period. Please be sure to keep track of your exercises and cardio activity. If you click on our weeks 1 and 2 overview, you'll find instructions and articles for the upcoming weeks. If you click on weeks 1 and 2 activities, you'll see the instructions for activities for the upcoming weeks, as well as your charts to record both your weight exercises and cardiovascular activity. At the bottom of our Canvas page, we have our exercise library module that has videos complete with instruction and demonstration to help guide you through the warm-up and exercises that are required for body conditioning. I'm looking forward to a great summer semester. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thank you.